Hello, our little learners. Welcome to our class today. How are you today? I hope you are feeling good because teacher is feeling great today. And I am so happy to see you today. Are you ready to have some fun? Yay! Before we start, let's play a guessing game. Are you ready? Can I have a thumbs up if you are ready? Well, I will flash some pictures and you have to guess what these pictures portray. Again, I will play some pictures, I will flash some pictures, and you will guess what this picture portrays. Is that understood? Okay, for our first picture, what do you think it is? It is? Correct. It is raining. Oh, I love rain. Do you love rain? Well, I love rain because it feels so cold. How about the next picture? What do you think it is? Can I also hear the sound of it? What do you think the sound of it and that picture portrays? What do you think it is? It's a Yes, it's a train and it makes a sound choo choo. Again, it's a train. Again, it's a train. Choo choo. Again, next we have the picture. What do you think it is? What are they doing? What are the children doing? They are playing. Yes, the children are playing. Do you also love to play? Okay, yes, of course, you want to play. I really know that. What's the next picture? What do you think? What day do you think it is? What kind of day? It's a Correct. It's a bright day. Very good. It's a bright day. And what do you think the day is today? Correct. It's also a very bright day. Great job guessing. Now, did you notice something special? All of these words. Can you read it all together? Raining. Raining. Can you do it? Raining. Train. Train. Can you do it? Train. Playing. Playing. Can you do it? Playing. Bright day. Bright day. Can you do it? Bright day. So all of these words have something special in common. Can you notice? That is correct. They have a long A sound. And today, we will learn how to spell this sound using AI and AY. Are you ready? Let's go. I believe yesterday, Teacher Mia told you AI in the middle, AY at the end. Can you do it? AI in the middle, AY at the end. Did you remember it? That is right. When we hear the long A sound in words, we can spell it in two ways. Again, we can spell it in two ways. AI is in the middle of the word. AI is in the middle of the word. For example, the rain and the train. Rain and the train. Can you say it with me? Rain, train. Rain, train. Very good. Also, AY is at the ends of the word. AY is at the end of the words. We have the day and the play. They play. Can you say it with me? They and play. Great job! Now let's read these words together. I'll say it first and you come next. Is that okay? Okay. We have made. Made. Can you read it? Made. For the next word, pain. Pain. Can you say it? Pain. We also have wait. Wait. Can you say it? Wait. Mail. Mail. Can you say it? Mail. We also have pay. Pay. Can you read it? Pay. We also have stay. Stay. Can you read it? Stay. We also have say. Say. Can you read it? Say. And we have clay. Clay. Can you read it? Clay. Very good. And because of that, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Now, to help us remember these words clearly, I have prepared here a fun game. So all you're gonna do is complete the missing letters. I'll flash a picture and you're gonna supply the missing letters of the word of the picture, of the name of the picture. Okay? All you're gonna do is supply the missing letters. Is that okay? Okay, you don't need to get a pencil and a paper. Just say the word or just say the name if you know the answer. Is that okay? Can I get a thumbs up? Very good. Now we have, what do you think they are doing? What do you think they are doing? I'll give you 5 seconds. They are praying. So it's a pray. Pray. Next word, next picture we have. What do you think it is? It's a rail. It's a rail. Can you say it with me? Rail. Okay, for our next picture we have, what do you think are these? These are paint. That is correct. Paint. Can you say it with me? Paint. Very good. And for our last picture, we have, what do you think this is? You always play this at school. You always have this in your hand. You share it with your classmates. What do you think this is? It's a correct. These are clay. Very good. You are all doing great today. And I think you are very ready to answer pages 173 and 174 on your books. Again, 173 and 174 on your books. You may answer your books if you have it with you, or you may use the scanned pages I pasted together with this video. Okay? Answer pages 173 and 174. Okay, can we sing together? AI in the middle, AY at the end. AI in the middle, AY at the end. Alright, very good. And because of that, I'll teach you a song with a tune of Twinkle Twinkle. You know what Twinkle Twinkle is? Okay, sing it with me, okay? A-I in rain, A-I in train, A-I in paint, oh what fun! A-Y in play, A-Y in stay, A-Y in day, all the way. Did you get it? I'll sing it again and you'll sing after, okay? A-I in rain, A-I in train, A-I in paint, oh what fun! A-Y in play, A-Y in stay, A-Y in day, all the way. Now, let's sing it all together, okay? Sing it with me. A-I in rain, A-I in train, A-I in paint, oh what fun! A-I in play, A-Y in stay, A-Y all day, all the way. Very good! And because of that, thank you everyone for playing with me. See you next time. Goodbye!